What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Went from red to green, and I got a big announcement for you, and I know you're going to love it. Check it out. Well, guys, today was an interesting day. I started off the day red, had a swing trade SPCE on puts, thinking we were going to go ahead and, fade that down today. And it had other plans. It actually moved up higher in pre-market and even in after hours yesterday, squeezed me out. And I do have that trade recorded live for you, and we are going to go over it. But before we do me the quick favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and comment in the comment section below. Let me know how your trading is going. Now on SPCE, let me show you SPCE daily and show you why I went ahead and got puts on this yesterday. Yesterday, I did trade some puts during the day, made a little bit of money, and then I swung a few puts. Look at this blow off top yesterday. Like, SPCE has been a huge mover, right? All the way up here from all the way down there, right? We got a high of like almost $40, like 38 and change. Now, yesterday we had that huge push and a huge rejection, red day, all the way back down, this nasty doji, shooting star candle, huge volume, okay, as you see. This is similar to what we saw on Tesla once, I'll show you. And then, one would expect here a gap down. So I bought some 28 puts, 4 of those, cost basis $1.99, and I was looking for a gap down in the morning with a little fade, but we didn't get it. As you can see, look what we did. We started to kind of like, maybe if we have another inside day tomorrow, forming a flag there, which is weird. This is not your normal behavior. The normal behavior would be something like this. It would be something like this. Look at Tesla. Let's see here. See, we had that big shooting star right there. Huge volume. The next day, gap down and a big fat fade. Now, whether or not it bounced back is irrelevant. All we were looking for was the overnight swing. But SPCE didn't do it. Didn't want to follow suit there, and it burned me. And it made me work this morning, and I'll show you here the live recording. Oh, meanwhile, MYO is still moving. Let me show you this live recording here real quick. So I had 4 puts there at the open, and cost basis is $1.99. So I was looking to see what we were going to do. If I saw that we were going to maybe fade it a little bit, this little bounce attempt, then I would definitely go ahead and wait, is this yesterday's video or is this today's? Oh, this is yesterday's video. I was definitely going to go ahead and look to add to it to see if maybe I can get out of it somewhat decent, So I do, because when the bell rang, I was already down like $500 on those 4 puts. So I'm looking to add to it, and as we start to reject VWAP here, I add, and now I have 16 puts. My cost basis is a lot better, $1.14. Okay, and I'm looking to see if we are, maybe we're going to fade the gap. Maybe we will, but we don't. And we start to get this action here, which is great, bodes well. I was really happy there. And then we get that bounce, and I'm like, all right, well, this is probably over. And right around there, I exit there, and I lose about $340. Not the way I like to start the morning, but nonetheless, it's still within the realm of normalcy, and it's not the $500 I was down when the bell rang. So I managed it decently. I was able to, get out of there. I was just looking to manage the red. I wasn't looking to hit a home run or even a base hit on that at that point. I was just looking to manage that red best I possibly could. Meanwhile, we had an MYO. This is like the only small cap here that's made an actual nice move. This VWAP break and cross of the 90 MA was money. I wish I would have seen this. I would have been all over it because we saw it work yesterday on BLPH. It's a shame I missed it again today. But I still have trust issues with the small caps for now, and I'm looking forward to keep watching them. And once they start to really get hot, I really want to start taking advantage of these moves. So, but you'll see here where VIVE, everything else is on my watch list. BLPH, CETX, VIVE, they're all choppy. But before we go any further, guys, I'm going to let you know at the end of this video, we're going to have a big announcement, and you're not going to want to miss this. I'm telling you right now, it's something that's going to be free, and it's not some sort of, I don't know, it's not like I'm not going to send you some sort of PDF or something. No. It's a contest, and I'm gonna tell you right now the rules for the contest, or when the contest is gonna take place. I'm gonna tell you about it at the end of this video. But for now, you're gonna love it. That's all I'm gonna tell you. You're not gonna want to miss this. If you do miss this, it's because you don't care to win a lot of money. It's simple as that. So we're gonna go ahead and move on with the rest of this video. So VIVE was a gapper this morning. Look at this action. Another small cap that was a dud. CETX, another gapper this morning. Look at this. What is this? What is this even supposed to be? All right, what else? BLPH wasn't a gapper, but I had it on watch. We're not doing much at all, as you can see from yesterday to today. But I figured if it holds, between $8 to $9, could still be in play. And I think that's it for the watchers that I had. SPY, all-time highs. This market doesn't care about coronavirus. Oh yeah, KBSF. Look at this. Look at that. Come on now. Who pumped this? This is embarrassing. MYO, like I said, the only small cap here that I'm going to keep on watch because it's the only one that's made a move. Now, on to my trade that actually brings me back to green on the day. Well into the green. I hit a real nice double today, a double yesterday, and you remember a home run on Friday. Now, this trade is actually a home run trade, but since I was already red $340 on the day or so, it's only a double that I'm green on the day. It's as in its entirety, but it is a home run trade, and I did leave a whole lot of money on the table. Now let me go ahead and show you. It was once again Tesla. Now Tesla, I've been watching it for a minute, looking to see if we can get up above this 860 area. Let me show you on the 15-minute chart here. Right, where's 860? Sorry, here we go. This 860 area, which is like this area here, 840s and 860s. All of these little previous bounces and these tops right here. But we gapped up clear above it. And then we started to form this red to green move here. And that's basically what I traded today. Let me get back to the 3-minute chart. That's basically what I traded today. I traded this move right here. And sadly, I was flat right there. And I'm going to go over the reasons why while we go over the live trade. Then Tesla did that. I'm still watching and happy to be well into the green on the day. But here's the live trade. So I'm in this trade right here, and I have one call. I'm looking to add a second call. This 90 MA is my stop. Okay. And there I go. I have my 2 calls. I'm looking for VWAP to break, and I'm looking for it to hit 920 and then push to test the high a day, which at the time was 925. These are 920 calls. Expiration the 21st. So those are Friday expirations. 920 calls, just 2 of them. My stop is this 90 MA, which is showing to be support. We'll fast forward a little bit here. So now we start to break up above the VWAP, and that's perfect. That's what I want to see. Kind of slowish move, as you can see. I put out an order to sell 1 contract at $28. Nice increase in volume. There we go. It gets sold right there. You see, executed $28. Okay. Nice increase in volume. Now I'm thinking, you know what? We're going to rip through that high of day, and we're just going to push straight to like 930. And I'm going to take this contract off like at $35, and it's going to be $1,000 day. I really thought we were just going to get a series of big fat candles through the high. With that volume bar that we just came in, I really thought that's what we were going to get. Instead, we start to get that action. And man, I stop out of it. And I stop out of it with, profit, like well into the profit on that last contract. But look at this. We start to hold that VWAP area. And I really should have thought about rebuying these $25, $26 contracts there. Because look at this move. Look at that. And we go. And right there, $37 on the ask, 36. I was in that last contract from $23.45. So you do the math. Look at this. It's going to go to $40 there. Could have been a $1,500 day. But I was afraid we were going to get one of those rejection candles right in front of the high of day right here. And that's why I exited that last bit, because I was already red on the day. That first contract I sold brought me back to basically break even. I was only down $70 at that point, or $40, something like that. I don't remember. And I didn't want that last contract that I had to go red on me and put me right back where I started, because I was just going to mess with my head. So I said, you know what? I'm up a lot here. I'm just going to take it and book the green day. And I did. I booked a real nice, I made over $200 in the day, made over $200 yesterday, made over $600 on Friday. So I've made like over $1,000 in the last 3 days, and I'm really happy with that. I can't complain. Like, guys, I'm trading this year how I thought I would trade, how I said last year that this year was going to be my year. And so far it is. And I'm really happy about that. And I'm looking forward to continuing this consistency, because this is what I've been working on, consistency. Now, without any further delay, I know that you've been wanting to know what the message is, what the news is, and what the news is very simple, okay? Last year, I set out a goal to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We reached that goal by November, and then we overshot it by a long shot by the end of December, okay? And then I said, okay, guys, next year's goal, is going to be 5,000 subscribers. That's what I said. And at that time when I said that, I think I had a little bit over 2,000 subscribers in December, okay? We're just underneath 5,000 subscribers. We're going to have 5,000 subscribers here by the end of the month, if not the beginning of next month. So my goal still for the year, is 5,000 subscribers, because I haven't reached it. Once I reach it, I'll adjust. But what I'm going to do, whether it happens this year or next, is I have a special thing I want to do here. When I reach 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a video, okay? And in that video, it's going to be a raffle type video, a giveaway type of video. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away the funding of your small account. That's right. Okay. So when we hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a video. All you're going to have to do in that video is comment in the comment section below. Make sure you're subscribed, because if you're not a subscriber, you're not going to qualify. So you got to subscribe to the channel starting today. Subscribe today. Like in essence, once we get to 10,000 subscribers, we're going to do this, but it starts today. So you have to subscribe today and comment in the comment section below, etc. And when we do that big video, we're going to pick a random comment, and that person is going to get the funding of $500 so they can start their trading account. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean you have to use just the $500 to trade. If I fund you with $500 so you can start trading, right? Because you've been trying to do that and you haven't been able to, and you have another 500 and you put it on top of that and you start your account with 1,000. I'm just helping you start your trading account. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to help you start your trading account with $500. Everything else you put on top of that is up to you. And I have nothing to do with anything, just giving you the money so you can start your trading account if that's what you want to do, and you're looking to fund it. If you're looking to fund your account, then that's going to be what, a small account, then that's going to be the giveaway for you. Okay. And we'll pick it at random, and I'll send you the money and straight to your brokerage account. Boom. And you're good to go. Okay. So I hope you guys, like the idea. I hope you enjoy it. I've been breaking my head trying to do something, think of something nice to do, something that shows my gratitude for you, because you guys, you really do, I don't even have words, guys. Like, I started off this channel because I felt like people around me didn't want to listen to what I had to say regarding trading, finances, getting out of debt, starting side hustles. And I started this channel for that. And so far, like 4,500 of you guys have really taken it to heart, subscribed to the channel, liked and listened to what I have to say, and I'm super grateful. And this is my way of giving back to you. It's simple as that. And I hope you're grateful and enjoy it, and like you feel my sincerity in this. That's what it's about. And I'm really happy and I'm thankful to you guys. So I'm going to just cut this video out right here. I hope you're having a great day. Let me know how your trading went. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Don't forget about this giveaway. We'll mention it again in follow-up videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.